Good evening, hello. Welcome to Al's office. Tonight we are going to talk about the acid test ratio or the quick ratio. So the idea of this ratio is to be able to determine how quickly an entity can pay back its debt if it were to be due immediately. So just keep in mind that this ratio is all about debt. Okay, but that's pretty scary and not something we want to think about. So, the idea that we're going to do here is this. This is what our acid test ratio actually consists of. It consists of our cash plus our short-term investments plus our net current receivables divided by our total current liabilities. In many cases, you're going to want to compare different years. So let's say, for instance, in our case, we are comparing two separate years. We're going to look at 2013 and we're going to look at 2014. Now, I've got some prefabricated numbers that this entity A has provided me for their year-end statement. So let's have a look at it. Let's say that on 2013, our cash on hand was $10,000. Maybe that's when we started the company. Maybe it's not. We had no short-term investments. And we had $57,308 worth of net receivables currently. Then we divided that by our liabilities, which we calculated out to be $43,098. I did the math on this, which you can go ahead, pause, and do for yourself, but I found it to be a ratio of 1.56. Okay, but in 2014, of course, like anything, things changed. Our cash on hand was $19,796. We had no short-term investments. We're still working on things. But we had $63,175 in current receivables. Net current receivables, pardon me. And we divided that by that year's liability to be $35,315, which we did the math to determine, we had a ratio of 2.35. Now, remember that with acid test ratios, we want things to be high. We want a large number. We want a higher ratio than a smaller ratio. This will tell us as accountants that yes, this entity can in fact pay their debt quickly or pay their debt with a better ratio. Comparatively to 2013, our ability to pay back our debt has significantly improved, almost by double. So it's a really good way to be able to understand what is actually plaguing an entity or a business, an industry, an investor, a company, anything, what's plaguing them with their debt. What are the chances that they'll be able to pay it off if it's due immediately? Anything can happen where that debt becomes immediately due. So, don't be too quick to think, well, it's not due for another month. Okay, this has been a blast. See you guys soon. Hope it helps. Feel free to leave questions, like, subscribe, or don't give a shit.